Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q50 Premium all-wheel drive. This has a 3.0 liter twin turbo V6, which is a new engine we saw arrive in the Q50 for 2016. This is an off-lease example that I acquired directly from Infiniti Financial Services. One owner clean Carfax, and look at this, only 11,044 miles. I know it's hard to believe, but some people, they just don't drive that many miles. And part of my job here at Infiniti of Tacoma as used car manager is not only to do these cool videos and pictures of our inventory and help manage our inventory, but also to acquire inventory. So I look around the whole country for off-lease vehicles available on a closed network. Only Infiniti stores have access to, and I try to buy off-lease vehicles from Infiniti Financial Services, and I try to find low mileage examples. I mean, this is a lot of car. It's almost a new car of only 11,044 miles, and on top of that, it's a certified pre-owned, so you get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti. This is a 6-year, 75,000 mile certified warranty that covers about 1,400 components. There's available low rate financing for well-qualified buyers. You have roadside assistance for the duration of the certified warranty. Your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. You have chirp interruption and roadside assistance. Did I just say that? Maybe I did. And you get an Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days, and those benefits aren't just good with us. It's good at any Infiniti dealership in the United States. I also have an original build sheet on it. This one is very well equipped with features, and it's always important to look at the features when comparing Q50s because they're not all created equal. This would have a base MSRP of $42,650, but when you add in all the equipment, it goes all the way up to $48,250. So maybe if you're looking online and you're comparing this one to a different Q50, maybe that Q50 is a base one and this one has a lot more equipment. So obviously you want to take that into consideration when you're comparing vehicles. You want to make sure you're comparing apples to apples. If you have any questions about any Infinitis that you're looking at, even if they're not on our lot, we are always glad to assist. We can easily pull build sheets just to help you make a more educated decision on your purchase. This one has a driver's assistance package. That's a very popular option, and it's a little bit more of a rare option. $2,150 was the price for that driver's assistance package. It gives you blind spot warning, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, front and rear parking sensors, and a round view monitor, moving object detection, backup collision intervention with rear cross traffic alert. Then we have the premium package that gives you navigation. You have Navi synchronized adaptive shift control. The way adaptive shift control works is it momentarily holds the car in gear for better acceleration at a turn, corner, or when accelerating up a hill. But with the Navi synchronization, it can see the upcoming road conditions on the navigation, and the transmission can prepare for those. Pretty cool stuff. Then we have heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote engine start, power telescoping steering column, dual occupant memory seats, auto dimming exterior mirrors, and a 60/40 split folding rear seat. So that comes with a Premium Plus package. Then we have illuminated kick plates, $465. And of course, we can print you out a copy of that build sheet when you stop in, or we can email you one. We have a drive mode selector that'll make changes to steering, engine, and transmission, performance settings, traction, stability control settings. So you have snow, eco, standard, sport, and personal. You'll notice the Q50 has a dual display system. This is actually one of the first production cars to have a dual display system of this kind. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. You can see we have a 360-degree round view monitor. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps, and you know, you can shut the emergency braking on or off. I don't know why you'd want to shut it off. You can shut the blind spot warning off too. And then the drive mode selector, what we have here, you can also control here, and you can personalize it a little bit better. For instance, you might like the way the engine transmission is in sport mode, but you like the way the steering is in standard mode. Then we have active trace control. Active trace control will brake individual wheels to help the vehicle rotate a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that system on or off. This also has a Bose Performance Series audio system for you music lovers, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, moonroof. The list of features goes on and on. The Q50 is a compact performance luxury sedan. Some of the competitions, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, the Lexus IS series, and the BMW 3 series. It's built on a sports car platform. It's built on a rear-wheel drive sports car platform. Pretty much the sportiest Infinitis we've seen over the last 15 years have been built on this advanced front-engine platform. The reason why they call it that is they take the engine, they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle, and that just helps it rotate on its axis a little bit better and improves the feel and handling through the corners. And this is a rear-wheel drive platform that helps enhance the performance. People like the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car, but it's also all-wheel drive, so it's rear-wheel drive biased all-wheel drive system. Rear-wheel drive is standard, intelligent all-wheel drive is optional. And the reason why the all-wheel drive system is not always working all the time, they have that rear-wheel drive bias, is because if it was working all the time, even in conditions like this, where you don't need all-wheel drive, it's going to chew through your tires faster, and it's going to reduce your gas mileage, and also having that rear-wheel drive bias gives it the rear-wheel drive sports car feel. But this Q50 has a electromagnetic differential that can quickly send up to 50% of the vehicle's power in a matter of milliseconds, pretty much instantly, up to the front wheels. So it really improves your wet weather performance. Obviously, we get a good amount of wet roads and wet weather here in the Pacific Northwest, so that all-wheel drive system will greatly improve that performance in the wet conditions. And if you ever do drive in the snow, you're going to do better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. Look at this. This also has the all-season package. So you have a cargo area protector, Infiniti all-season mats. There's a regular carpeted mats. We have the original first aid kit, cargo net, dual exhaust system for a performance stance. It is one beautiful automobile. You can't accuse Infiniti of copying anyone else with the Q50. It's distinctly Infiniti styling. Infiniti's chief engineer is highly respected in the design community, and he helps design some beautiful automobiles. The heart of the Q50 is this twin turbo V6 engine. It makes 300 horsepower. It's an amazing power plant, giving you sports car levels of performance. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.